Hi, my name is Justin Conway. I'm a Microsoft Excel expert. I'm going to show you how to put the date in Microsoft Excel, how to link the date. So first thing we want to do is find where we want to put the date in your Excel document. And right now I have a document open and H1 is highlighted. I like to put the date right there. Let's cover the function for inputting a date. What you would do is click in that cell, click equals, type date, open parenthesis, and then it's going to explain how to lay out the date. So it would be year. We could just type in 13. We don't need to do 2013. The month, it's August, and the day, and we'll make that the 28th. And end parenthesis, hit return. And now you have a date in Excel. Another pretty cool function in Excel is if you wanted to just insert the date right now without going through all that, you just put the equal sign in, and the now function, just type NOW and open and close parenthesis, hit return, and as you can see, it populated today's date and the exact time into the cell. So a note about this before I move on, that will stay that time. So in other words, when you open this sheet, it's not going to then figure out what time it is then and change that number. That number is going to stay the time it was at the time that you entered. If you go back into this cell though, however, and now it's going to retrieve that function again, and you click return, it will now retrieve that information once again. So if a minute had passed between the two times that I had done that, it would then say 11:31. It would update that information. Once you click in that cell and click enter, it will update that information. So that is how to insert a date in Microsoft Excel. My name is Justin Conway. I hope you enjoyed.